Okay, kids, quick update. I have been just fiddling about with this based on T1000's advice over at overunityresearch.com. Thanks, mate. So I bought a little motor today. It's a little 6-volt motor. We've got a 6-volt SLA, 12 amp hours. The leads are actually hooked up to, we're measuring DC now, we're hooked up to this little bridge over here, and the coils that I've got running this time are the ones internally that you saw in the second video, and I've just gone with this big ass coil. I've decided that this thing was, current was just way too low because I couldn't even light an LED on it, so I've gone for big ass coil. So the plan is obviously put more magnets on. What I've done this time is I've just put 2 extra steels on, basically, and the motor with the pulley kit. This is the this is just a rubber band, by the way. And what else can I tell you about it? When I ran this without the 2 extra steels, we were getting about 8 volts DC. Current's still pretty low though. So this is what happens. There's 8 volts, and all we've done is I've added the steel, two more steels. That's it. And I just wanted to show you this. So just by adding 2 steels, no more coils, no more magnets, I'm getting an extra 4 volt DC. So a 50% improvement, which is kind of what I expected actually, because basically, you know, we've got double the cutting of the magnetic flux. So, you know, I haven't paid too much heed to the rules at this stage about where I should have the coils, but I have noticed, and thank you, yes, T1000, I can confirm that, you know, if this is slightly out as opposed to right up against, or, you know, slightly to the side, I do get a better pickup from it. So, you know, intuitively I would have said this needed to be closer, but that's not the case. I'm actually getting a better voltage generation having it out here. So 50% increase in collection simply by adding 2 steels. I haven't measured RPM yet. Look, it could be running a little bit quicker now because the cogging isn't as bad because of the steels. But the reason I haven't sort of measured RPM is I'm going to put 2 more stacks of magnets. So we've got 4 stacks of magnets, and then obviously try to get a coil around each side. This one's going to be a challenge because I've got the motor glued on there. But I'll get 3 up there, and so I would expect to see 3. I'd expect to see another 2 coils. I expect to be getting up around with another 2 coils on here. I'd be disappointed if it wasn't getting around 20 volts with 2 coils, and yeah, I'd like to get another 3. That's going to be a real challenge though. Anyway, I'll let you know how I go.